Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Burns' TOEFL Show. Today, we have another TOEFL Speaking listen and repeat lesson with tips, strategies, and practice to help you earn a top score. In particular, we will focus on how to pronounce words the way native speakers do, using connected speech, and how native speakers stress words to create natural sentence rhythm. These are the 7 sentences we will work on today.
You are being trained to assist customers at a hotel front desk. Listen to your manager and repeat what he says. Repeat only once.
Okay, let's get started. Sentence 1.
Welcome. Let's get started and check you in.
Welcome. Let's get started and check you in. There is a pause after welcome, so the sentence has 2 thought groups, welcome and let's get started and check you in. The stressed syllables are well, let's, star, check, in. The other words are unstressed, so the pitch becomes lower on those words. Stress tip. Notice that check in is a compound expression, specifically a phrasal verb. In many phrasal verbs, the main stress falls on the particle, the adverb. That is why in receives the strongest stress. Make sure you understand how compound words are stressed, because many TOEFL listen and repeat sentences contain compound words or phrasal verbs. We covered compound word stress in previous listen and repeat videos, so make sure to review those since today's lesson builds on that concept. Pronunciation tip. The phrase started and often sounds like started in. In phonetics, t and d sounds are stop consonants. That means the airflow stops briefly and then releases. But in fast, fluent speech, native speakers often reduce or delete stop sounds to keep the rhythm smooth. In started and, the D at the end of started links to the following vowel, and the D in and is dropped and sounds like un. So the phrase may sound like started in. Now repeat after me.
Welcome. Let's get started and check you in. There is a reception desk over here for you.
These are the main content words that carry the meaning of the sentence. The reception desk is here. Reception desk is a compound noun because the desk is used for reception. In compound nouns, the main stress usually falls on the first word, so we stress reception desk. Pronunciation tip. There is a often sounds like there is a. Now repeat after me.
There is a reception desk over here for you. The elevators are located just off the main lobby.
Elevators located off lobby. These are the main content words that carry the meaning of the sentence. Elevators located off lobby. Stress tip. Just off functions as a location phrase, and the word off receives stress because it carries the directional meaning. In the phrase main lobby, main describes lobby, so lobby receives the stress. Pronunciation tips. In the elevator, the word the should sound like the, because elevator begins with a vowel sound. When 2 vowels occur together, native speakers often add a linking yes sound to connect them smoothly. So, the elevator may sound like the elevator. Also, elevators are may sound like elevators are. Now repeat after me.
The elevators are located just off the main lobby. Our hotel lounge is available for relaxation.
The stressed words are hotel, lounge, available, relaxation. The main idea of the sentence is lounge available for relaxation. Now repeat after me.
Our hotel lounge is available for relaxation. If needed, we can store your bags in the luggage storage room.
The stressed words are needed, store, bags, luggage, storage, room. There is a pause after needed, so we have two thought groups. If needed, and we can store your bags in the luggage storage room. Stress tip. Luggage storage room is a compound phrase, meaning a room for storing luggage. In compound phrases, the first word often receives the strongest stress, so luggage is strongly stressed. Pronunciation tips. Because there is a pause after needed, the word needed is pronounced fully. When can is used in an affirmative sentence, it usually has no vowel sound and sounds like kin. The word in often sounds like un. Now repeat after me.
If needed, we can store your bags in the luggage storage room. Our amenities and services are listed on the notice boards throughout the building.
The stressed words are amenities, services, listed, notice, building. These are also the main content words of the sentence. Stress tip. Notice boards is a compound noun, meaning boards for notices, so the stress falls on notice. Pronunciation tips. The word and in amenities and services is reduced and pronounced un. It connects to the previous word, so the phrase may sound like amenities and services. Are listed on the main stress remains on list. Now repeat after me.
Our amenities and services are listed on the notice boards throughout the building. To avoid being charged a late departure fee, be sure to check out of your room on time.
There is a pause after fee, creating two thought groups. To avoid being charged a late departure fee, and be sure to check out of your room on time. The stressed words in the first thought group are avoid, charged, par, fee. In the second thought group, the stressed words are sure, out, room, time. Speaking tips. The A in a late departure fee attaches to charged, sounding like charged-a. In late departure fee, fee receives the strongest stress, and par in departure receives the second strongest stress.
The phrasal verb check out has stress on out.
Pronunciation tips. Some of the words in this sentence might have escaped your ear, such as be sure to and out of your room on. In fast, natural English, like the speech used in official TOEFL listen and repeat samples, you need to understand how connected speech works. For example, be sure to is usually reduced and linked together, so it does not sound like three separate words. In fast speech, be becomes very short, often sounding like b or just b. Sure stays the stressed part and sounds like sure. To is reduced to the weak t sound, a schwa. So the rhythm becomes be sure to be sure to, be sure to. For example, be sure to lock the door to be sure to lock the door. Be sure to bring your ID to be sure to bring your ID. When speaking naturally in American English, out of your is often pronounced as one connected sound, which may sound like out of your or out of your in American pronunciation. In the same way, room on is commonly blended together and may sound like roomin'. For example, you might hear sentences like these. Get out of your seat and make some room in the couch. Move out of your way so there's room in the table. Now repeat after me.
To avoid being charged a late departure fee, be sure to check out of your room on time.
Good job! Now let's try to listen and repeat the whole sentences again. Listen carefully to the stress patterns and how the speaker connects unstressed words to the words that come before them. After listening, repeat. Practice so much that you can speak them by heart.
Welcome, let's get started and check you in. There is a reception desk over here for you. The elevators are located just off the main lobby. Our hotel lounge is available for relaxation. If needed, we can store your bags in the luggage storage room.
Our amenities and services are listed on the notice boards throughout the building. To avoid being charged a late departure fee, be sure to check out of your room on time.